Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to edit the header, the logo, menu, buttons, layouts in 2026, here is the key thing to know. Squarespace headers are global. Any change you make affects all pages of your site. So in this guide, I will show you how to edit the header in Squarespace 2026. Okay, so first thing first, enter the Squarespace editor. So log into Squarespace, open your website. As you can see, click edit. Okay, you must be in edit mode to change the header. After that, click on the header area. So hover your mouse over the top section of your site. When edit header appears, click it. You are now editing the global header. So inside header edit mode, click the logo area. Okay, upload a new logo, choose image logo, text logo. You can adjust logo size, alignment, visibility on scroll. SVG logos look best in 2026. So still in header edit mode, click edit navigation. You can add or remove pages, reorder menu items, create drop downs, hide pages from navigation. Okay, so navigation is controlled from pages but styled in the header. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.